Welcome to day 3 of our Celebrity Greek Isles and Turkey cruise. It's another port day today, and we're taking you to the island of Mykonos.
We are now in Mykonos, and it's around 7:30 in the morning. Just stopped here to take a short video. Good morning. Come over here. Say hello to our viewers.
Hello.
Good morning. So, what are our plans for today?
We're going to hit the buffet.
Hit the buffet.
We're going to go and look for our tour on land.
Yes, we're going on a small tour group here, and it'll be a bit more difficult to find, but it should be fun. And I think it's another tender port, so we'll be taking water shuttles, so we're not docked right next to the port. Let's go and eat. Breakfast time. What are you having?
Muesli.
Muesli with strawberries and what is that? Apples?
Yeah, look.
I'm having cinnamon roll, hash brown, banana slices, nuts, walnuts, slice of watermelon.
We're on board the shuttle to take us into port.
The water shuttle specifically. We're going to go there on the other side there, where Mykonos is. We are here right at the Mykonos port. And as you can see, there's a lot of people here going on excursions. We are going on a smaller group here, so hopefully it'll be intimate. We are on the bus now, and we're moving. There's our celebrity infinity behind this yacht here.
And Mykonos is a very small island. It's only 33 square miles.
33.
The total number of people who live on this island all year round, approximately 11,000. The total number of visitors we got last year, 1.8 million.
1.8 million visitors.
Exactly. Of the Virgin Mary. And also we're going to be having
Ano
some
Mera.
treats which are included in the tour in a little
Ano
coffee
Mera.
shop of the village. In the evenings you see kids from all over the world playing in that square, which is beautiful. There is the bay facing the north. There is
this is the bay.
Today. Stelia. Stelia. That's one of the longest and widest beaches of the island because it's got very long stretches of bay because it's got these little peninsulas which stick into the water.
We're going to that monastery. Are there monsters inside the monastery? Oh, a monastery. Monastery. I thought it was monster. Look at that view here. Look at all those houses that are of the same style. Very rectangular. And all white. Where are we?
We're in Panagia Tourliani.
Panagia Tourliani Monastery in the little town of Ano Mera. We're in front of the monastery. What is it called? Panagia Tourliani. I forgot. The marble has been added in 767 to the donations.
We're in a Greek Orthodox Christian church. Unfortunately, no more monks live here. The last
No
one
more
passed
monks
away
live.
just before the pandemic.
Into the monastery now.
The church the way it is, from east to west and north to south to south. That's why Jesus is in the center. Around him the 12 apostles, and in the four corners the four evangelists. So the concept is the further down towards we come, the further we're slow. But on the altar, the tables you can see in so many other churches around the world very clearly, regardless of the service happening or not. In the Greek Orthodox Church, you see it clearly only at the time of service.
This is the one that was washed away and found near the old port, Tourliani. That's why the church is named the way it is. And all this jewelry here are actually offerings from people. We're gonna have a snack here included in the tour with coffee frappe or something, which is the grandfather of frappuccino, and then a traditional Greek dessert called lokma. What are we having? It's called lokma. It's, what is it, like donut hole? Fried donut hole?
Yeah,
With
it's
cinnamon.
better.
It's better? Probably. Oh, they were giving samples? Is that what it was? And this is called a frappe. It's like coffee. We are here at the Bay of Kalafatis in the southeasternmost part of the island of Mykonos. We're just gonna go walk around. We don't have time to go swimming. We'll just go walk around and take some pictures. And there is our friend Dave. What do you think so far?
I think the water is very blue.
Look at that water, it's so blue.
Very blue.
It's probably perfect for swimming, huh? A lot of people swimming already, but this is, I think, where the locals go. Those two hills there, those two hills there, the locals call them the breasts of Aphrodite. Is it breasts?
Yep.
Of Aphrodite. We are here in the Bay of Kalafatis. And nice beach, nice area, not too commercial, which is good. It's not crowded. You know, if we had a little bit of time, this would be a perfect place to relax and maybe do a little bit of swimming. Okay, what's going on?
Well, we're having a little more adventure in our adventure than we planned. The
What?
bus broke down.
It just completely stalled and wouldn't start.
It's still early.
Yeah, we have time. We haven't even gone to Mykonos town. Hopefully it doesn't cut too much onto our
It's 10:53 a.m., so we don't have to be back for
until
many
5.
hours.
Yeah.
If you were here, even
We are in Mykonos with our newfound friends here. Say hello. I do a vlog. It's Mykonos town over here.
this is dedicated to Saint Nicholas, protector of sailors, travelers by sea, and fishermen. So in every port you go to, there's at
Saint
least one
Nicholas.
Saint Nicholas chapel.
St. Nicholas
Over
Chapel,
here,
protector
we
of
have the
sailors.
map of Mykonos.
Yeah, this is the
Wonderful.
open
And
air
also there's a
cinema.
little garden back there with a little coffee shop. It's so beautiful.
And there's the big screen. It's like the way they used to do it in the old days. We're still walking the streets of Mykonos Old Town. Mykonos town. A good thing is it doesn't look as crowded as like Santorini. This is the oldest neighborhood here, and I think it's called Little Venice. You can see those red domes, blue domes. Those are chapels. Most of them are like the family chapels. They're really not regular church chapels where you have services every week. Here are the windmills. Used to be covered in canvas for grinding.
Today have become cocktail bars and restaurants because this is also the sunset side of town.
This is the sunset side of town. We're walking towards the windmills to inspect them up close and personal. Hello!
Hello, we're here in Mykonos next to the windmills. There's
The windmills are
a
here.
bunch of them here.
A bunch of windmills. And what else do we see behind
We
us?
see a lot of tourists taking
A
pictures.
lot of tourists.
That's called Little Venice because
Little Venice because it's right in front of the waterfront. In the waterfront.
and the
It's on-
balconies extend out over the water.
Oh, and the balconies stand out over the water. And where's our ship?
Our ship is
Right
there.
here with the
The
letter
X on
X. Yes, the Celebrity Infinity. Are you having a good time?
Sure.
Okay. Are you getting hungry?
Yeah.
This one here is the only Catholic church in Florence. Here's one of the churches here. It's named Panagia Tourliani or something. It's Virgin Mary near the gate. More chapels, more domes. Red, there's red or blue, but in Santorini it's mostly blue for some reason. We are here in Mykonos, just waterfront. There's our ship, just relaxing. What are we doing here?
We're having some cashew nuts.
We are having some cashew nuts. There's a little refreshment before we continue on with our. We now have free time. We can spend as much time as we want here. We might do a little bit of shopping. Maybe look for something to eat or drink at least. So, did you get anything?
Yeah, we got some.
What do you have?
Mykonos cats.
Oh, I like it, and it's
10 euros.
it's
each.
our cutoff point.
We were looking at a number of them for 15. and
Yes,
We
suddenly.
finally found an honest shopkeeper.
Yes. Okay, let's go. Walk our way back slowly. Look at all the shops here and restaurants and domes and white buildings. There's the beach area here. Pretty small. But there are a lot of beaches all around the island. But this is the beach right next to town, so it's busy. We're in the what is this called? Ocean View Cafe for a late lunch, early merienda. What did you have?
I had Indian curry with basmati rice with papadum
Indian curry, basmati rice, and papadum, and then
and apple crumble.
apple crumble. Now I'm having egg drop soup, fish with pineapple, some bratwurst, cucumber salad, tuna salad, beef something I forgot, papadum, and I have some hummus, spicy hummus under. Going on?
We're at the main dining room, ready for our dinner.
Yes, it's 5:45. Why are you dressed up?
It's formal night.
Ah, okay. Okay, we're still in.
Thank you.
We're leaving Mykonos now. Okay, we're really moving now. Dun, 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 dun. So I see a P&O cruise ship here. What is this one here? Can you see this one here? I see a sea. Carnival Discovery? No, that's not it. No, Celestial. Celestial is the name of the ship. Our first course of the night. What are you having for your appetizer?
It's a stuffed mushroom cup.
Stuffed mushroom cup. And I'm getting exactly the same thing. It looks really fancy. It looks more like a dessert rather than a starter. How is it?
Good.
Good? What is it stuffed
Very
with?
saucy.
Second course for the night is
Vegetarian yellow corn soup.
vegetarian yellow corn soup. And the planets must be aligned because I'm having exactly the same thing.
Very
Vegetarian. Okay, main dish time. What are you having?
Stuffed portobello mushroom.
Stuffed mushroom again. This time it's portobello mushroom stuffed with what? What is that on top?
That looks
Onion?
like onion.
Fried onion.
Fried onion.
That's a big mushroom.
Mm-hmm.
I'm having shrimp scampi with linguine and go ahead. And some Parmesan cheese. That's great. Dessert time? What are you having?
That's a fruit tart.
Fruit tart with phyllo dough.
Mm-hmm.
I'm having warm apple what? A la mode. Apple crust? Apple crisp?
Crumble.
Crumble. A la mode. Yeah.